Are we going to run the dishwasher? Okay, get the soap out. Get the soap. Let's do it. Show the people what you do. Minus the safety lock there. Excellent. This is when you know your child is getting smarter than you are. Yep, that's what soap is. Okay, let's do it, Ani. Yep, and then we pull it open. Yep, make sure that spouts out. Okay, I'll hold that. Okay, pull open the dishwasher. Closing. Ani, dishwasher. Are you going to put the soap in the dishwasher? Okay, let's do it. Pull down the dishwasher. Pull down the dishwasher. Where do we put the soap on? Where's the soap go? I know. Ani, are we going to run the dishwasher? Here. Where does the soap go in here? Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay, we put soap in it. Now what do? Start it up. Start it up. Yep, push. Okay, turn the dial. Yeah. Okay, you want to start it? Want to start it? Okay. We've been messing with it for these people. Okay, lock it.